The chapter is Arithmetic Progressions for Standard 10 and it's part 8 of our series. The question given here is the ratio of the sums of m and n terms of an AP is m squared is to n squared. Show that the ratio of the mth and nth terms is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. So first let us write what has been given. So the ratio of the sums of m and n terms. So Sm by Sn. It is the same AP. So Sm by Sn is equal to m squared by n squared. This is given. Now we have to prove ratio of the mth and the n terms. So am by an is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. So let a be the first term and d be the common difference. So Sm by Sn is equal to now m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to m squared by n squared is given here. So we will cancel this 2 here and this m and n also get cancelled. This with one of the m and n here. So now we will cross multiply. So you get 2an plus m minus 1 or we can write mdn minus nd is equal to, now here it becomes 2am plus mdn minus dm. So this mdn and mdn will get cancelled on both sides. So this will become 2a into n minus m is equal to, n will come here, nd will come here. So that will become nd. So d into n minus m. So n minus m and n minus m will get cancelled again. And you get 2a is equal to d. So this is one equation. That result we have got. Now we have to find am by an. So am by an is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d by an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this a plus md, yeah, we will substitute d is equal to 2a. So we will write this as a plus m minus 1 into 2a by a plus n minus 1 into 2a. So this is equal to a plus 2am minus 2a by a plus 2an minus 2a. So it's just simplification only. So 2am minus a you get 2am minus a by 2an minus a. So you get a as common. So you can write it as 2m minus 1 by, again here also a is a common. So 2n minus 1. So you get 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. This is equal to, so LHS is equal to, you got RHS. Find the number of terms of the series 54, 51, 48, etc. so that their sum is 513. Explain the double answer. Now first let us find the number of terms and then I'll explain what this double answer means. So let us write down what is given. A is equal to 54 and D is equal to 51 minus 54, A2 minus A1, so it becomes minus 3, and then Sn is equal to 513. These are the datas that are available. Now we will find An is equal to, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is 513 is equal to n by 2 into 2a, so 2 into, so it becomes 108. Then D is minus 3, so it becomes minus 3n plus 3. So this is 1026 is equal to 108n minus 3n. 108 minus 3 is 111. So 111n minus 3n squared. So from this you get, you can divide throughout by 3 and also bring it to one side. So you get n squared minus 37n minus plus 342 is equal to 0. So factorize 342. 342 is equal to 18 into 19 you get. So if you add, you get 37. So you can write this as n minus 18 into n minus 19 is equal to 0. So you get n is equal to 18 and 19. Now if you see, the value of n is 18 and 19. But your sum is 513. You can have only a fixed exact number of terms. So that your sum is 513. So here we should understand that S18 is equal to, here S18 is equal to S19, because the nth term, that is 19th term. So here A19 will be, the term will be 0. So S19 is actually S18 plus A19. So A19 is 0. That is why S19 is also 513. S18 is also, so S19 is also 513. S18 is also 513 plus A19 will be 0. So this is the reason why we are having double answer. So you have to simply write this. S18 is equal to S19. A19 is equal to 0. So S19 is equal to S18 plus A19. How many terms of the AP 17, 15, 13, 11 must be added to get the sum 72? Explain the double answer. It's a similar question like what we did in the previous, question, with slight difference. So let us first write down what are the data given. So A is equal to 17, D is equal to 15 minus 17 is equal to minus 2. So these double answers are generally always when the series is going to the negative side. Then only this double answer, this type of double value of n, you get two values. And Sn is equal to 72. So first we'll find Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is 72. Simply substitute here. So you get n by 2 into 17 into 2, 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So we get 144 is equal to 34n minus 2n. 34, so 2n, and then you have to multiply with n, so it becomes minus 2n squared, and minus 2 into 1 is plus 2, plus 2 into n is plus 2n. So this becomes 2n squared plus 36 will become minus 36, minus 144 will become 144 plus 144 equal to 0. From this you get, divide throughout by 2, you get n squared 36n minus 18n minus 18n plus 72 is equal to 0. So now this is the equation. Now we will factorize this. You get 12 into 2, 72. 72 is equal to 12 into 6, 72. So we'll write this as n. You will get n minus 12 into n minus 6 is equal to 0. So you get n is equal to 6 and 12. So in the previous question, we got n as 18 and 19. So it is a consecutive terms, but here it is 6 and 12. Here that means all the numbers, so this means S6 is equal to S12. So this can be possible only when the numbers from 7th to 12th is 0. That is, the sum of the some numbers will get cancelled with some of the numbers, and that's why you get S6, and sum of the 6 terms is equal to sum of the 12 terms. So you can simply write, this means the sum of all the terms, or sum of all terms gets or we'll write there are negative terms. For example, we'll see what is A6. So A6 will be 17 plus 5 into minus 2. So you get 17 minus 10 equal to 7. Now A7 we'll see. These are only for your understanding. You don't have to write it in the exam. So A7 will be again 17 minus 6 into minus 2. So this is equal to 12. This is equal to 5. Then A8 will become 7 plus, so A8 will become 5 plus A8 will become 3, and A9 will become 3 minus 2 is minus 1. A10 will become minus 3. A11 is equal to minus 5. A12 is equal to minus 7. So if you write down the numbers, you will get it as 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 and minus 7. If you see now, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So this is getting cancelled with this. Then you can say this minus 3 and plus 3 is getting cancelled. So now you are left with only now 6 numbers. So this sum of this 6 numbers is also equal to sum of the 12 numbers. So because if you add all these, all the numbers, automatically these two will get cancelled and you are left with only this number. This is equal to the sum of these 6 numbers. That is why you are getting S6 is equal to S12. So we can write there are negative terms which get cancelled with the positive terms, resulting in double answer. You can simply write S6 is equal to S12 and write the statement.